Understanding gift table setup in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the phrase, gift table setup. This is a common term used in event planning and celebrations. Whether you're learning English for personal development or to understand cultural nuances, this phrase is quite interesting. Let's dive into its meaning and usage. The phrase, gift table setup, is made of three words: gift, table, and setup. Gift refers to a present or something given voluntarily without expecting something in return. Table is a piece of furniture with a flat top and legs, used for placing items on. Setup means the arrangement or the way something is organized. When combined, these words describe the arrangement or organization of a table where gifts are placed during events like weddings, birthdays, or baby showers. In many English-speaking cultures, a gift table is a common feature at various celebrations. At a wedding, guests bring gifts for the couple and place them on a designated table. During a birthday party, presents are gathered on a table for the birthday person. Understanding this concept helps in grasping how English speakers organize and celebrate important occasions. Let's look at some examples of gift table setups. 1. Wedding gift table, often decorated with flowers and a sign saying, "Gifts." This table is usually near the entrance of the reception area. 2. Birthday gift table, typically more colorful and may have balloons or a banner with the birthday person's name. Visualizing these setups can help you better understand the phrase and its application. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of gift table setup. It's a phrase that beautifully combines language and cultural practices, making it a great example of how language reflects customs. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more interesting English phrases with you.